Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer data from Huawei to iPhone 2024. So let's start by open your Play Store first. This is the Android. All you have to do is search the application Move to iOS by Apple, this one. So install this app on your phone. So this app is easily move all your photo, messages, contact and more. Move to iOS copies your data securely over a private network and start using new iPhone or iPad with your existing content. So this is all you need to do. Install this app to easily move your data from Android into your new iPhone, new iOS. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, again, subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.